What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I got a quick little mod for all my boys who love their carbon fiber on their car's interior. And the best part about this mod is that it only cost me $10. You don't need any tools to get it installed and you only need two things to get it done. So if you guys haven't guessed it by now, the mod in today's video is gonna be our carbon fiber e-brake handle. So this handle in specific I picked up off AliExpress and it was literally only $10. I'll leave a link in the description for you guys if you guys are interested. And basically you only need a zip tie and the e-brake handle itself to get the job done. The rest you just have to use your hands. I personally think it's a pretty cool mod for 10 bucks. You can't really go wrong. It'll be a good quick way to update your car's interior, add some carbon fiber, add some sportiness, and just overall make the ambiance of your car just that little bit better. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this puppy installed. Alright guys, so this is the part we're going to be replacing right here. As you guys can see, basically just fits on like that. So this is actually going to be really quick and simple install. So the first thing you want to do is just knock up your armrest. And then you basically want to pull at the top portion of this e-brake boot, and then this will basically just pop out of place. If you just pull up on it, and just like that, pops out. And now this is out of the center console. So after this boot is popped out, all you want to do now is grab the handle really firmly and just pull it off towards the front of the car, and it should pop off. For majority of people, this is actually going to be stuck on really well, so you really just got to put your back into it, but you should just pull out and it'll come off. Alright guys, so when you pull it off, it's going to look like this. And basically when you pull off the handle, it comes off with the boot itself because the boot is actually zip tied to the handle. So after that, now what you want to do is basically flip this boot inside out. So I literally just flipped it inside out. And now that's basically just going to expose the zip tie that holds the boot with the handle. So what you want to do now is just go ahead and cut this. You could use like a pair of scissors or maybe like an X-Acto knife, or basically what you want to do is cut this and then replace it with the new handle. And then you want to go over with another zip tie. All right guys, so once you cut the zip tie, you literally just take it off, and then this handle literally just comes off just like that, as it should. And then basically all you're doing is grabbing the new handle, putting it back in the exact same spot where the other handle was, and then you're just going over with a new zip tie. So after I did that, that's how it looks. So now I'm just gonna flip this back the other way how it should be, and then just slip it back on. And in terms of slipping it back on, you literally just slip it on, clip these parts in, and then you're done. Install complete. And it looks pretty cool. It came out nice and clean. The e-brake feels a lot more solid in the hand too, which is nice. And overall, just a nice quick little carbon fiber addition to your car's interior. Alright guys, so after watching the install, what do you guys think? Me personally, honestly, for like 10 to 15 bucks, considering where you get it from, and including how easy it is to install and how fast it is to install, I honestly think you can't really go wrong. It's just a nice little addition of carbon fiber to your car's interior, updates things a little bit, makes things a little bit more sporty, and overall, you really can't go wrong. And in addition, from what I know, there's also different versions you can get. There's like metal versions you can get, there's different colored ones, there's like plain black ones, there's leather ones, there's stitched ones. It just depends on what style you really want. Basically, you just have to go online and look around and just find which style that you prefer to have in your car. And other than that, it's a pretty straightforward mod, easy to do, and can't go wrong. So other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. I hope you guys found it helpful. If you guys have any questions or comments, you can just leave them down below. I'll be more than happy to answer. And if you guys want to see more of this car, you can go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I'll leave it on the screen right here. And other than that, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.